Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing my first ever unboxing video on these Maxpeedingrods S14 coilovers. I've not opened this box at all yet. This is literally how they came, and they came quick, by the way. I agreed with them that I was going to have a set to try. I think it was on like the Tuesday, and they turned up. I'm sure it was in 2 days, by Thursday. Yeah, decent time for postage if you are interested in getting a set of these. The set that I've been sent out is the top of the range they do for the 14s, and they're still only about 300 odd quid. Very much a affordable coilover. Literally not opened the box. This is how it turned up in this packaging. Quite like the gold stamp name on there. But yeah, let's have a look. Sorry about the rest of the mess in my garage at the moment. It's I need to have a bit of a tidy up. I'm excited by this. I've not done an unboxing video, or I've never ever had a brand new set of coilovers. This is quite amazing. So, bit of stuff there. So, wow, I feel pretty solid. So this is a rear. This is a rear ear look. So, as you can see, got their brand on the bottom. A bushed bottom mount there, fully adjustable. Just like I've currently got a set of BCs on the car. These look quite similar. They've got the, I don't know where you can see it on the camera, they've got their code with the weight on the back, so that's a 6 kilo because there should be 8 and 6, so 6 kilo rears and 8 kilo backs. So 6 kilo rears, 8 kilo fronts. So yeah, as well as that, they've got obviously you got your nuts for the top there when you bolt them on. They got a rubber mount on the top here. They got their name etched in as well, Maxpeedingrods there. Not that you'll see that, but it's etched in the top. Nice little cover is probably covering over the adjuster. So yeah, you got a little knurled knob for adjustment of the damper. So pretty sure they said it's 24 way. I'll double check that later when I come to fit it on the car. But yeah, no, they look decent. They look pretty solid. The welds around the bottom of the mount here, you know, where it's between the bush and the shock body, they look pretty decent. Yeah, just before that, I forgot to show you just a second ago. I got a bit keen taking out that rear coilover, but yeah, they come with the adjustment spanners. A little Allen key will fit in on the top of the knurled adjuster. So I guess if you're struggling to get your hand in there to adjust it, you could just use the little Allen key to click it around. So that's good. A little bit of paperwork here, a customer service card. Oh yeah, picture of Tom Chilton, the touring car guy. Yeah, they do all sorts. They show all the different parts they got here. And there's a picture of the I guess their main R&D department. So that's cool. It's always nice to get a little bit of an about. You know, you're dealing with sort of thing. Right, so to the front ones now. They all come. Yeah, they've been nicely packaged. To be fair, they've all come in you know, in a clear bag with some quite stiff packaging around them. So yeah, we've now got the fronts there. I don't know if it's supposed to be written on that way up, but there's an 8 kilo the length and the you know, the weight of the spring, so that's an 8 kilo spring on the front, which is what I was expecting, 8 and 6. That's pretty similar to what I run at the moment. Yeah, nice solid looking body. The welds look pretty good, you know, for the price. They look pretty solid. Nice decent thickness of damper rod. That shouldn't bend too easy. Eye on the top here, so got the name etched in here again. Adjustable camber, like a lot of the other, you know, name brands out there. Obviously you got your nuts for mounting on the strut top. Should be another adjuster. Oh yeah, there's another damper adjuster, and that one there, that's where I guess you can fit that Allen key in. I do know on the other ones, like on my BCs and Apexes, they had like a bigger circle so you could get your finger, but I'm sure they'll be absolutely fine. Exactly the same again, height adjustable. Yeah, look pretty good. Yeah, one of the other things I like about these is they come with slotted top like body mounts from standard. So you know, if you want to set your camber, or for instance maybe you've got, you know, as little camber as you can get because you've got like extended arms, you know, there's still loads of camber, you can actually adjust the hub. I'll show you that better when I've got it fitted on the car, but that's quite a handy thing to have. Well, yeah, it's pretty much got obviously got the brake hose mount there, and then we've got a screw there, screw the other one on there. And yeah, no, they look pretty decent. Yeah, I'm happy. Should be good. Yeah, so next video I'll be sticking them on and yeah, getting them fit to the 200. I'll go get it all aligned. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they sit. But yeah, no, I'm looking forward to that. I've got thanks Maxpeedingrods. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, absolutely been great to deal with so far. Look forward to getting them on the car and trying them out.